pictures from the campus of life. I'm everywhere in public.
Who's got the knife? What address is this? $7031. We're outside with about 8 subjects. UTL, anyone with a knife. 237? Yeah. Do me a favor, you two. Have a seat. Everybody come out here and have a seat. Come out here, guys. Come over here and have a seat.
Me?
Yeah, everyone.
I don't leave.
Everyone come out here.
Have a seat. Do we have a listening problem? Do we have to go in here?
1731. What's the description of the guy with the knife?
Okay, seat right here.
This is our house. This is my house right here.
No.
Yeah, this is my house, officer, and we're asking this gentleman to leave from here.
Okay.
You're being detained. You're not under arrest. Drake, get over here.
Yep.
You're not under arrest. You're being detained.
Hey, man, just freaking listen.
Get in my hand, sir.
Just listen, man.
You don't want to listen. Don't move. Relax.
Say that like you actually
Relax.
Oh shit! Hey! What the fuck is wrong?
I hate you.
Is that your daughter?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. She tried to.
For what?
Sit
For
down.
What? Nobody did nothing.
Sit
to
down.
Me. Are you fucking happy?
Sit down.
Let go of me, dude.
Sit
Just
down.
let go of me.
Okay.
Why are you trying to let go of me? Like that?
It's called a control hold.
Tatiana,
You're holding me for what?
hush your mouth.
For what?
Hush your mouth.
Are you fucking happy, you stupid bitch? You dumb crackhead bitch. Are you happy? Are you
Come on.
happy, Mom? Are you fucking happy? Hope you're all fucking happy.
Listen to me.
Are you not gonna
She needs to go to a car because you're not listening.
Let the fuck on me, bro. I'm not doing shit to nobody. I'm not touching nobody. So
You're not touching nobody?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
You see me touching anybody?
Yeah, I just did.
I hope you're fucking happy, Mom. I hope you're happy. I hope
down.
you're real fucking happy.
Sit down.
I hate you.
Sit
Why
down.
would you fucking do that? Why would you
Sit down.
You gotta do that. Come on, Mom. You're going to him. Let's go. I am shit. You're having it wrong. I got it on video. I got it on my video. If you don't control yourselves, you will all go in handcuffs and go back. We understand.
Yeah.
We understand.
Okay, yeah, I just don't want you to hit him. You gotta back up.
That's not okay. That's not right. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Children need to go inside like you were already asked. Inside.
What's your name, man? What?
You guys are not listening. You're told to go inside.
Okay.
Now.
You want to kill the beeper?
Yeah. And ask him who that actual caller is.
7031. We have 2 detained, the 2 primaries. You can kill the beeper.
Get your butt inside.
Okay, right now she's gonna be
I think he's the one. Did you call?
No, but we didn't
One of my somebody called.
What did she just say? Who called? No, somebody who called went back inside the house. Is that?
It was her.
Who's
She
Eddie?
went inside.
Somebody here. I
Who's
told
Eddie?
them to make
Is there
the
an
call.
Eddie here?
7031. Who's the RP?
We didn't show up by magic. Jesus.
You guys need to hush your mouth before you leave with them. Show a little
10-4.
respect.
Who was it?
Go to your room.
Neighbor. 229.
Okay.
They need to listen and show some
Kitty,
respect.
talk to him and see what's going on. You got his horsepower?
I'll get it. Where's your ID at? Okay. What is it?
Looking for he was yelling at my dog. I'm sorry, man.
All right. Is your last name?
Yes.
He was yelling at her, and I told him.
What's your birthday?
I lost $100 today.
What's your birthday?
We're on our way to go get a room.
Who's you? You and
Mary.
she is your.
7031. Can you 291 by name? Stay over there.
I just need to talk to her.
No, you're staying over there.
Get to talk to her. It's not illegal to talk to her.
Stay over there.
It's not illegal to talk to her.
Stand by. Stay over there.
It's not illegal to talk
She's
to her.
detained in the back of a car. You're making the situation
You're
worse.
also going to be. All right, she wants to go in handcuffs too.
She does it. No, Mariah, get over there.
Just go listen to your mom. Why are you going to take it to this far?
I wanted to talk to her.
Go.
No, it's okay, baby.
An investigation
She's not. She
now?
wants to check on her sister.
All right.
Don't put it, Mama.
You're going to go to the ground if you don't go in the house.
Mariah, go.
Hey, move, Mom.
No, I'm not
Mom.
gonna move. You're not gonna.
Mom, move. Move.
You need to stop.
That's for you now.
She's got cuffs on.
Okay.
Serena.
Can you grab her?
Serena, grab her cuff.
You know what?
Okay,
Vanessa!
Mariah, it's okay.
Vanessa!
I'm just trying to get her stuff for her. I'm not fighting the
Okay,
police.
get over this way. What is wrong with you girls?
Can you just stop twisting her arm, please?
Well,
Please
She
stop.
needs to stop.
No, she doesn't. Can you
Yes,
stop?
she does. Diana, you're gonna.
You fucking idiot! You fucking. She's on purpose, you stupid bitch! Stupid bitch!
Nigga! Diana, are you okay?
1531.
What the fuck is your problem? What's wrong with you?
Hey!
Man!
Stardust More Unit. Starting at 1141.
Call the police!
Lay on her side. Lay her on her side.
What the fuck, dude? Why'd you have to slam her like that, man? If my wife doesn't make it, it's still gonna be over.
Stay over there! Stay over there!
Her hands on my fucking wall.
Stay over there!
You bitch! Move!
You're gonna go to the ground next, bro.
You can't hit
Get
me.
the fuck out. Go back.
Back up, please stop! You just knocked my mama conscious! What the fuck is wrong with you, niggas?
Damn, please! Get off her, please! Don't do that to her! Look at her! Get her an ambulance, please! Get her an ambulance!
1731. Start an ambulance
Started.
for a female that got knocked out.
Get
Code 3.
here fucking handcuffs.
This is how y'all treat y'all citizens.
Okay, do you have cuffs?
Cuffs on her?
No, just an extra pair.
Don't put her in there, please! Oh, man!
Hey! Turn around.
Oh, for what?
Turn around.
I didn't do it.
Okay, go stand over there. Go stand over there.
Mom, bro.
Okay. Sarge, can you handle them? Is she talking to you?
No, she's not responding
Hey.
at all!
Can you hear me?
She's not responding
Can
at
you
all!
hear me? What's her name?
Oh, God!
What is it? Diana?
Thank God, Diana.
Okay. Hey,
Come on, baby.
Diana, just breathe, okay?
Please, okay, princess? It's gonna be okay, princess. I'm right here with you, mama. I'm right here with you, princess. You fucking kids, man! You guys did this, you fucking kids! Oh my God, why can't you guys just listen? Oh, about my wife, about my wife.
Doing your job any longer!
Mom, you're gonna
Hey,
be okay.
Dana,
Mom, you're gonna be
where
okay.
are you? You're in Fairfield. What year is it? Who's the president? Okay.
She knows who the
I
president
understand.
is. So she's
I'm just asking a simple question. I understand,
I understand,
man.
sir.
Hey,
I
here's the
understand,
thing.
sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, hey,
and I'm
it's fine.
sorry you had to do that,
Look at
sir,
this.
but you
Hey.
didn't have to.
I didn't intend to do that,
I
man.
know you didn't,
okay.
sir. I know
I
you
took her to
didn't.
the ground because she was fighting with me.
Yeah,
okay?
I understand that,
And I understand
sir.
you're in a tough
I
situation right now.
understand that, sir.
Okay.
I'm just a black man with cameras.